Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Chanel unboxing. Now this piece is from the Chanel 21K collection. It was my #1 piece that I wanted from this collection. I think when you see it, you'll understand why, but I cannot wait to unbox this. I did a little sneak peek of the box on my Instagram. So you guys may even know what this is, but let's get right into the unboxing. I'm Jamie. I do videos on luxury, handbag reviews, and a lot of neutrals on this channel. I love it if you like and subscribe. Let's get into the unboxing. So excited. You guys know it's an SLG just by the box. So we have the cutest little thing. Ah! This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so obsessed. I don't even know why. It's like I cannot believe, but we're gonna talk really quietly here just to take this all in. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. So okay, you guys really have to look at this color. It is so amazing. Can't get enough of it. It's so cute. This is in lambskin with the gold hardware. It features one pocket on the front, a pocket in the center, and 2 pockets on the back. So 4 pockets in total. I'm a big one for the details, and the color just makes it so much on a whole nother level. Love this SLG. You guys know that I have this piece with my Chanel 19 as well as the classic flap. So I absolutely had to add the SLG to my collection. I'm obsessed. I love that it's in this cute little card holder because I'm a little bit obsessed with card holders right now. I've been using my Louis Vuitton monogram card holder a lot. I think that's one of my most durable card holders, but this one is just breathtaking. And of course, I want to match this 21K up. Let's see here. Yes, it's in the NB356 color from 21K, and the biggest thing that I'm curious about, and it's a 31 series. How close does it match up to that lambskin? Because it's just, even before I was thinking about what am I going to purchase from 21K, and I heard the caramel was coming back, I was like, is it really? Is the shade totally matching up? So let's go take a look. So I grabbed my classic flap. Are we ready for the moment of truth? I actually think they're perfect. I love it. It's the perfect shade and it matches. It looks so good. I'm obsessed with this. You guys. You caramel lovers, you need to pick this up. I'm telling you. Oh, I love it. Let's just put in a quick little close-up for y'all. Let's just put in a quick little close-up for y'all. I think it's beautiful. And just for good measure, I did grab the 19 just so we can see. Oh, this is interesting too. This one, I feel like a very slight shade difference, the slightest. It actually matches perfectly with my classic flap, but this Chanel 19, the Chanel 19 has a little bit more of a pink tone, And I think I said that too in a prior video when I've had a shade comparison between my classic flap and my 19. I just find that so interesting. But let's look at close-up of this as well. Yeah, when I look at this, I'm definitely seeing a exact perfect matchup to my classic flap. And then the Chanel 19, it's just ever so slightly a little bit, I just get a little bit of pink tones. I mean, I could be wrong, but that's just me looking at it close up like this. But these two are from the same exact season, from 21P. This is the caramel brown, the NB 356. So thank you, Alma. She helped source this item. I was having a hard time locating this little guy. I'm going to leave Alma's information below if you want to have her help you source for any of your Chanel needs. She did purchase this from the Chanel Texas boutique, and I love that boutique. If you guys didn't know, my husband, his family is from Texas, so I do try to go down to Texas now and then and check out that boutique, so that Highland Park area is really nice. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this fun unboxing. It's a small, quick one, but I'm obsessed. I'm so excited for this guy. I just love everything about it. The Chanel 19 and that classic flap and the caramel, they're some of my most favorite bags in my collection. So to have a little bit of a complete set with this perfect SLG, I cannot be more thrilled. So thank you guys. I will put Alma's information below if you want to reach out to her from the Guru Edit. So thank you again, Alma. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care.